Mastering export and import, your key to global success. In today's business world, understanding exports and import is vital for international success. Let's dive into the basics and explore keyword-rich strategies. The basics: exporting, market research, regulations and compliance, logistics and shipping, pricing strategy. Importing, supplier selection, regulatory compliance, shipping and logistics, cost management. Keyword-rich strategies: market analysis for targeted exporting, streamlining import procedures, global supply chain management, trade finance and risk mitigation. Conclusion: master export and import with keyword-rich strategies. Stay informed, adapt, and conquer the global trade landscape with confidence. Good luck in your international trade ventures.